Ayan, ulitin mo yung sinabi mo.
Ganda polygamous.
O yan, sabi mo ulit. Ano yung sinabi mo?
I'm sorry, I can't repeat everything I've said.
Ulitin mo eh. Bachen, naritang EMI mo?
There's an AMI. I'll run out from the office and then shout, yes, I have an increase.
And what will you do? What will you do?
And then I'll kick you guys out.
Bah, sabihan mo, lagwa.
That's it.
Hindi mo masabi. Makarita recorded, sabihan mo ito sinabi mo.
upload ko yung Facebook.
Ay, may kakabit GTA PH ano ako.
Lagwa, Bache, may kakuha ang EMI.
I'll treat you guys out.
Or I'll kick you guys in. I'll just bring the food.
Lagwa. Sabihan mo na.
Itapin nito.
Nano? Ulitan mo eh. Full statement. Ba, masakit eh. Masakit na. Full statement.
I, Michael Garay, legal age of 35 years old. Okay na, sinabi ko na eh.
Ulitan mo eh, Pin. para sigurado.
Pangunguha. Wrap it up.
Wala. Kamadinan EMI, ganyan.
Next week na ka, diba? 18.
Nung ating ang perman.
Wala, EMI. Lagwa.